Hi guys, it's me once again, Sushi. After completing my 10-day quarantine in Manila, I'm finally back home. Yes, I'm home! And I'm on my way to the southern part of Cebu. I'm going to climb my very first mountain here, and it's called Mount Naupa. I think it's the tallest, I guess so, the tallest mountain here in Naga. So join me as I trek Mount Naupa. For those who have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So, see you later. Bye. Hi everyone. I'm climbing the summit of Mount Naupa.
Ano? Ano, Jen?
There. This is solo trekking here in Cebu. And now because I have 3-day passes, so I'm making the most out of it. So I am summiting Mount Naupa. So it's a long way to go, guys. I need to reach the summit before 6 o'clock. I'm going to set up my tent. And that's a cliff. The trail is very narrow, so you have to be very careful, or else if this is your foot, the cliff already, you could break your neck or your limb. Okay, let's continue. There are children here. Oops, careful. They're playing, swimming. That's your swimming pool. Okay, going up. Hi. Hello. So I'm almost on top. That's where I came from. Down right below. So I trekked for an hour and few more steps and I will be at the summit of Mount Naupa. This is my first climb after the lockdown. Good morning. This is my tour guide, 14 years old. Most of the tour guides here are just young kids. So when you reach this area, so you will find a mini store selling refreshment. You can order lunch or dinner. You have to pay extra. Come on guys, let's go there. There's a Philippine flag. Come on, let's go. Time check, it's 4:30 in the afternoon and it's already freezing cold. So glad that I decided to bring a jacket. I don't know if I can stand the cold tonight. I'm going to show you my view. The clouds are getting dark, so I think it's gonna rain tonight, and that's where I put up my tent. So I'm going to sleep here tonight, guys. It's starting to rain now, so look at the clouds here. I feel like I am just a meter away from the sky. Good morning, everyone. Today is September 28th and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up 30 minutes ago. I have to be early because I'm still going to trek that mountain. That is the highest peak here in Naga, Cebu. So that is the original Naupa. According to my tour guide, who is just 12 years old, that mountain takes around 1 hour or 2 hours to summit. So my tour guide is here. He's going to guide me to the top. There's a chain of mountains around here, so that I was able to go to the top yesterday. I was planning to camp there, but I decided to go down and put up the tent here instead. So as you can see, there are huts or houses there at the foot of that mountain. So that house is actually selling some refreshments, so you can buy snacks, even noodles, and you can ask them to cook and just pay extra. So this is the chain of mountains here, guys. I climbed that yesterday. I went down and I camped there last night. And now I'm going up. Whew. It's heart pumping, guys. This is my second day of trekking. As you can see, there's a chain of mountains here. That's the ocean. So I am on the other side of this mountainous terrain here in Naga. I'm going back to the city. So Mount Naupa is not really a tall mountain. It only stands more or less 600 meters above sea level. But even if the terrain or the trail is easy, still it is heart pumping. For the past 5 months, I have stopped trekking due to the lockdown in Vietnam. I'll be trekking more. So this is just the beginning. Alright, so I'm so tired, guys. I'm on my way to the city. So I have at least 1 day left to rest before I go to work. So this is my first trek here in Cebu after spending almost 2 years, or is it 2 years, in Vietnam. So thank you for following me in my YouTube channel. So this is Sushi once again. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well.